Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a new feature that has been long anticipated and we are extremely excited to share with you. That is group SMS through your Big Purple Dot CRM application. What this allows you to do is keep multiple people in the loop within the same conversation thread. Additionally, if you have partners like real estate agents that want to introduce you to people that might need a loan, or vice versa, you can go ahead and start it using the group SMS feature. I'll go ahead and open the tray here. This is my SMS tray. I'm going to click on new message and I'm going to create a new group SMS. You can search based off of phone number or name or email. I'm going to go ahead and put in a phone number here to get the conversation started. I'm going to pick a different tracking number, this one. Now I'm going to add a second person here. Again, I can choose somebody that exists already, or I can actually put kind of like an anonymous number in there. Now, this is useful if somebody maybe isn't in your contacts just yet, or maybe they'll never be in your contacts, but you do need to keep them in the loops for some reason. So I'll go ahead and put somebody that I know is in the system. Scotty S. And I'm going to add them to this conversation. Now when I click on this multiple person icon, you can see I have two people in this conversation, and I can start messaging. I'm going to go ahead and say, hey guys, your application is in the works. And now I can rest assured that both of those parties actually received that. I will go ahead and respond to it using my mobile device here. And what is important about this as well is that this is already going to be working on your Big Purple Dot mobile application as well. So your iOS and Android application will allow you to receive these messages. So if somebody is trying to introduce you to someone else, using group SMS, you will be able to use your iOS and Android applications to be able to respond and interact with these. Hopefully this is helpful, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.